The Trump administration has denied accusations that it defied a federal court order by carrying out deportations of hundreds of alleged gang members to El Salvador over the weekend. Our America editor John Lyons has been following these developments over the weekend, and he joins us now from Washington. John, first of all, we've had you on this show many times, but congratulations on your new appointment.
Well, thank you, James. It's great to be trying to translate the Trump presidency to an Australian audience.
Yeah, you do have a big job over the next couple of years. Can you just bring us up to speed on what was happening with these deportations? Because this is not an issue that got a lot of coverage here over the weekend.
Yes, James. As we know, during the election campaign, the issue of illegal migrants, illegal aliens, as Donald Trump calls them, was a major part of his campaign. He said there would be mass expulsions, deportations. He's now going ahead with that. Over the weekend, 3 plane loads of deportees were put on flights in Texas and sent to El Salvador. They're mainly from 2 particular crime gangs, the Tren de Aragua from Venezuela and the MS-13 crime syndicate from El Salvador. Now, as some people have challenged this in the court, said it's illegal, they can't be doing this under the American law. And while a judge in the federal court was reviewing this law and whether it was legal, 2 of those flights took off. And what's really interesting here, James, is that the judge then made a verbal ruling saying that the flights could not leave, and in fact the 2 must return to America. The 3rd one took off after that. And so this is a big issue now as to whether the American government, whether Donald Trump and the White House are in fact abiding by their own law and their own court system.
And we will have more on this throughout the program. But John, what does the White House have to say about this?
Well, the White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt addressed this a short time ago. This is what she said.
This administration acted within the confines of the law, again, within the president's constitutional authority and under the authority granted to him under the Alien Enemies Act. We are quite confident in that, and we are wholly confident that we are going to win this case in court.
So the latest is that the judge has actually said to Trump officials, come to my court now and justify that you acted within the law. So there's still a fair way to go on this.